to the case study. Well, in today's video, I am going to review our very own L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Ta-da! This product has been in the market for a while now, and all of the famous influencers have already promoted this and have been promoting till now. But your girl has mixed opinion with it, so allowed to this to actually see the review. So the first thing which I'm going to tell is, first we're gonna see what the packaging, and let's see the packaging and the texture of this product. The packaging is bomb. Like this packaging, this reminds me more of this Japanese skincare brand called SK-II has actually released a similar product maybe a year around, so I haven't used it, but I've seen it on the internet, like many foreign influencers are actually reviewing it. Yeah, it is a similar packaging, so it looks minimal. I have the smaller one, but the bigger one looks classy and minimal. Yeah, why not? That looks so good. Packaging, it's plastic. This is plastic. This is plastic. And when you just open the dropper, it's just a hole here. And the texture, of course, man. The texture of this is to die for. I really like the texture of this particular essence. Okay? Because it's very water-like and it gets into your skin like a dream. It gives that a layer of hydration on your skin. So that is one thing which I really like about this. That is one thing that made me repurchase this thing. So that, yeah. Let's just see what the company, the L'Oreal Paris, actually claims before I give you my views. Let's just see. It says it goes 10 layers deep for bright and clear skin. Ooh. And it has advanced technology, and it has an active ingredient called vitamin salicylic acid. I have my views on this, so let's just slide into the ingredients because that is where the actual story starts. Well, this particular product claims to have salicylic acid such as salicylic acid or any kind of AHAs, retinol, vitamin C. They have to give like a particular amount of percentage regarding the concentration of certain actives, but L'Oreal, this product does not mention like what percentage has been there. So like L'Oreal is such a big company and there is no percentage whatsoever. So the maximum amount of concentration which is actually good for, which is actually allowed for salicylic acid is 2% salicylic acid, that's the maximum. And thinking assuming that this did not mention the percentage, we can assume that this must be like extremely diluted salicylic acid. That means around 0.2 or 0.3%, like less than 0.5%. Like I don't know how well that's my point number one. And point number two, it says it has Centella asiatica. Very good. But when you just look into the ingredients list, the extract of Centella asiatica is somewhere at the end. Like it's somewhere there, like marcassoside. It's the extract of Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica is a plant which is highly rich in chlorophyll that is really used, that really helps for really extreme skin problems like rosacea, psoriasis, and any kind of acne, hypopigmentation. It just calms it down. So any sensitive skin, Centella asiatica is one such ingredient which suits to all skin types. I just looked into the ingredients list. It has aqua water, which you can probably tell by the texture. And number 2 is butylene glycol, which is, let's just see, like butylene glycol. Third ingredient is alcohol. Like what? Butylene glycol is also a form of alcohol, and the third ingredient is some unnamed alcohol. Like you just, like these ingredients just are generally listed in the, you know, in the order of their concentration and concentration amount present in it. So first is water, which is evident, it has a lot of water, and butylene glycol and alcohol. Those are the first 3 ingredients. Like okay, let's just start one. Next one is the hydroethyl piperazine ethane sulfonic acid. I have googled this ingredient because I absolutely don't know what it is. So I have seen one particular article which says avoid skincare products with this particular ingredient because this in high concentration is not good for your skin. Whatever may be the reason, there are no appropriate studies towards it, so I can't really tell if this is good or bad. But this is in the 4th ingredient, so you can probably tell how much of amount is present in it, which is like, yeah, okay. And not to tell, these ingredients has a lot of antioxidants which are like good. Also has perfume. Like I don't mind perfume in my skincare products, but no, heavy perfume does break me out. This doesn't have like heavy perfume. It's like a in the middle kind of perfume which you can definitely bear. I can definitely bear the perfume. So let's just discuss pros and cons of this beauty. First thing, it's very light in texture. Second thing, it provides a layer of hydration and it can be easily buildable. Like you can add you can layer any kind of skincare on the top of it. So number 3, this allows the skincare that you put on top of it easily absorbable, penetrate easy because of course, which is technically when you apply any kind of skincare on damp face, it helps it to penetrate deeper rather than on a dry face. That's the same, like this is most of it is water, so of course if you apply any kind of skincare, it gets deep, of course. But we have to discuss it in pros, huh? And number 4 is it is available in varied sizes so that you can test out first and then go for your bigger size. Well, the cons are it has a lot of petroleum derived ingredients in it, which might alarm. Like not all of them are bad, but and not good for a prolonged use. And number 2, what is it does not do anything it claims. Like you're not going to get glass skin by using only this product. This doesn't do any miraculous. This doesn't give any miraculous result as it is promoted. So yeah. And number 3, it has perfume. Like if that is something which bothers you, it has perfume. It has perfume. That is not a natural perfume. And number 4, it has some questionable ingredients in it, which is like the active percentage is not mentioned. Right? And there comes my final verdict. Will Keep recommend you to buy it? Yes. Like you don't really need this product in your life. Okay, I know many influencers are actually promoting this particular product, and we tend to buy it by what they are actually telling, which I have fallen into trap like that. But like recommend it. You can definitely buy this. You buy this the smaller dabba. If you really want to use the big, you can go for, because this lasts for really long time. This lasts for really long time because you hardly need 3 to 4 drops and pack it. That's it. And yeah, and the oily skin beauty, the oily skin and combination skin will love using this. But yeah, at the end of the day, it has questionable ingredients, which is like, and I recommend buying this? No, you don't need this in your life. It's just a beauty. It's just a nice addition to your skincare indulgence. If you indulge in skincare, it's like you can just have it like, oh okay, let's just try this. That's it. It's not going to treat any of your skin problems. It's not going to treat any of your skin problems. It is not going to give like utmost hydration of. I hope this video is super helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so that it motivates me to bring more reviews. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Because you just don't want to miss my videos, right? So just make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon next to it, and please like this video if you find this video helpful, and comment down below what would you buy this product, or if you have used it, if you have found it like miraculous, tell me. And also please follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen down in the description box below. And please watch my previous videos because they are more of like which are more of skincare and fashion and some fun stuff which you don't want to miss. So please make sure to watch my previous videos and share it with your friends and families, or that it will be useful for so many people. And that's about today's video. I'll meet you next Thursday. Until then, bye.